Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block a Craigslist email address. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed with logging in using your credentials. Then come back to this Craigslist homepage and just proceed with exploring the various offerings. Now in case you're browsing through and you find a user that you're not interested in or you want to block them completely, then you can simply go ahead and find their post and click on the reply button. Now from the reply section you will be able to find their email address. Click on email and then you can simply click on the copy button to copy their email address. Then simply open up your email account. Now once you're inside your homepage, click on the compose button to compose a new email address. Now within the to section, paste the email address and go ahead and right click on it. You can then click on add to contacts and this person will be added to your contact. Now you can simply click over to the right side within contacts and search for this user. Now you can simply go over to the search section and search for this user. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it and then you can simply click on this draft email and then go over to the labeled section and add them to the promotions tab. Then click on apply and this user's email will no longer appear in your primary section. While you cannot directly block their email address, this is the best way for you to avoid their email if it has been bothering you for a while. And there you have it. That is how you can block someone's email address from Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.